Good morning, students. Today we will be continuing with our lesson Operation on Rational Number. Today's topic Simplifying an Expression. Before solving sums, we have to go through few rules. The rule number 1. First carry out the operations given in the bracket. If more than one operation is to be carried out, then multiplication and division are carried out first, in the order in which they occur from left to right. After that, addition and subtractions are carried out in the order in which they occur from left to right. The order of the signs when simplifying an expression. B. First the operation in the brackets. O. Of multiplication. D. Division. Fourth one, M. Multiplication. A. Addition. S. Subtraction.
Now we'll solve one of the example sums over here. It is 3 into 15 into 107 minus 13 in bracket plus 10 divided by 5 into 3 in bracket. So the next step is we'll copy down the question the same way. 3 into 15 into 107 minus 13 in bracket plus 10 divided by 5 plus 5 into 3. Here the first thing what we are going to do that we are going to solve the bracket first. So 107 minus 30, that is going to come up to 94. Okay, and in this case we are going to solve the division part. 10 divided by 5, that is 2, and into 3. That's the next step. We'll solve the 2 into 3 part first. 2 into 3, that is 6. So 94 plus 6 in bracket 15 and 3. In the next, again we are going to solve the bracket first. So 94 plus 6, that is 100. 15 into 100 into 3. And then again the bigger bracket, the 15 into 100. That is 1500 into 3. That is 4500. So first we are going to solve the bracket, then division, multiplication. Here we are going to solve the practice set 25. Simplify the following expression. The first sum 50 into 5 divided by 2 plus 24. Here first we will solve the multiplication part. So it will be 250 divided by 2 plus 24. First multiplication. Next, what we'll do? 250 divided by 2, that is 125 plus 24. Next, we'll go to add this. So that is 125 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9, 2 plus 2, 4, and 1. This one, addition. Answer is 1. Second sum, 13 into 4 divided by 2 minus 26. In this case, first we'll solve this one. 13 into 4, that comes up to 52 divided by 2 minus 26. This will solve this. 52 divided by 2, that comes up to 26 minus 26. That's your answer, 0. Now we are going to solve the third sum. That is 140 divided by minus 11 into minus 3 minus 42 divided by 49. Here first we'll solve this part. So it will be 140 divided by minus 11 into minus 3, that is minus into minus plus, and 33. 11 3s are 33, and minus into minus plus 42 divided by 14 minus 1. Here we have solved the brackets first. Next, we'll solve the bigger 140 divided by, what is that? Here, this part will do that, division part. So 33 plus 42 divided by 14, that comes to 3 minus 1. Here we did division. Next, 140 divided by, in bracket it's 33 plus 3, 36 minus 1. That is addition. Next, 140 divided by 36 minus 1, that is 35. Subtraction. Next, one will divide this one. So 140 divided by 35, answer comes to 4. So answer is, now we're going to solve the fourth sum, that is 220 minus 140, 10 into 9 plus minus 2 into 5 in bracket minus 100. In this part we can see 220 minus 140 is in bracket, so we are going to solve that first. Then multiplication part in the big bracket, another one, this one. So 220 minus 140, that comes up to 80. Then the plus sign, now the next bracket, 10 into 9, that is 90. Then minus 2 into 5, that is minus 10. Minus 10 plus into minus 10. So 90 minus 10 and minus 100, the outer one. So 80 is here. Now the bracket is, this part is solved. So 8 is coming down here, and 90 minus 10, that is coming up to 80. 80 plus 80, and here minus 100. Now first we'll solve the addition part. That is 80 plus 80, 160 minus 100, that is 60. Now we're going to solve the fifth sum. This 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 divided by 6 upon 4. So we'll solve this part first. So how it will be? 3 upon 5, that will come as it is. 3 upon 8 will come. Here it is divided. So in the previous topic we have seen that the reciprocal part. So 6 upon 4 is reciprocal. So it is 4 upon 6. When it is reciprocal, the sign also change. Now we'll solve this part. 3 upon, so it is 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 into 4 upon 6. Here 4 ones are, 4 twos are, here 3 ones are and 2s are. So it is 3 upon 5 plus 1 into 1 and 2 into 2, 4. Now we'll solve this. For this we know we need to equalize the denominator. So how we'll do that? 3 upon 5, we'll take this 4, multiply on numerator and denominator, plus 1 into 5 upon 4 into 5. So it is 12 upon 20 plus 5 upon 20. That comes up to 17 upon 20.